Welcome to SC Custom Designs, where you are on location in our kitchen. Many years later, we're finally putting on the quarter round. We did tile this kitchen, my wife and I, many years ago, and we did it the right way. So now the quarter round's going on, but I wanted to show you a little bit of a trick. It's one of those gotchas. So some of the techniques that we have, or you can basically create your angles, join those angles, and move right along. And let's not forget the caulk of forgiveness. In other words, don't try to do a Picasso. Just go ahead and get the job done. What I wanted to show you though, is we come around the corner here, we have a little piece that we have to put in here. And this is what the piece looks like. At first glance, it's just a 45-degree angle. But what we did is we used a coping saw and we rounded this out. So to do it any kind of justice, let's just turn this. Let's go against the white background perhaps. And you can see that it is, hopefully, still trying to get this in here, that it's been rounded out in the back, basically so that it can receive that corner piece there. So isn't that cool? So let's turn this way, lift it up. You can see that's rounded, and I'm going to show you exactly how I did that. And that's a really cool trick. You basically need a coping saw, and forgive me, we're going to have to do a little bit of a journey down into the wood shop, and we're going to have a look and see how I did this. It's when you look at it as a finished product, you may be thinking, much like myself, because I forget how to do these things. I don't really do these things for a living, so hopefully you can see that it's quite rounded out. All right, let's come over here. And my coping saw, hopefully, yep, it's right where I left it. So this was put in my vise, like so. Let's pretend it's in my vise. And then we take this coping saw here. This is a very unique blade in that it's round. So you don't have to worry about cutting corners. And particularly, it's really useful when you're trying to do something like this. So essentially what you're going to do, and it's kind of hard to do this with my hand holding a camera, but let's give it a try. You're essentially going to follow this line and then cut at a 45-degree-ish angle, okay? So if we look at this way, we can see that it's a 45-degree straight cut. However, what we do is we take our coping saw and we just start cutting very patiently back and forth. All you have to do is follow the line. Okay? Come over here a little bit maybe. Just follow the line. And at the end of the day, you're going to have this. Try to get up toward the light here. So you can see that it's all rounded out. And now it's going to wrap around that piece that we saw. Thanks for watching this short video, SC Custom Designs. If you like what you saw, please give us a thumbs up. Smash that thumbs up button, and leave us comments, and we'll get back to you. So I do a lot of things here in the wood shop. At the moment, it's things to get the house ready to sell. Otherwise, I like to come down and make bandsaw boxes and all kinds of other many things in the wood shop. Thanks for coming into the shop of SC Custom Designs. I want to do my usual shaloms, my goodbyes in Hebrew, Arabic, Afrikaans, Chinese, French, and some other language. Shalom Aleichem l'kol ha'chavarim. That's Hebrew. Masalami, Arabic. tot ziens, Afrikaans. Zaijian, goodbye in mainland China and Thailand. Arrivederci, is that Italian? And au revoir. Take care. Thanks for coming into my shop.